welcome back to my YouTube channel The Merry World. So guys, today in this video we will explain one of the best crypto exchange, which is the name of Ecobit exchange. In this section we will explore or explain each and everything, how to participate this one exchange and how to create your account. So guys, before going to start this further review, so if you are new first time on my YouTube channel The Merry World, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. So before going to start with another review disclaimer, this video is educational purpose only. It is not my financial advice. Please do your own research. You can make for any investment. I am not responsible any profit alone. So let's start the review now. Every change hold our belief in trust. So go to trade now. Welcome to Ecobit exchange, guys. And here is the exchange. We will explore each and everything. Here you need to see here, guys, crypto markets. Also you need to check out our market trends. Here is the platform advantages, guys. Here you need to see here user friendly interface, advanced security. Also you can check out global coverage. Here start your crypto today now. First of all, you can download it this my exchange, and now you can register. Also you can support and future detail you can check out now, guys. Also guys, here this one exchange is the 20 plus country plus regions, guys, 1000 plus user daily trading volume. You need to see here we are global vision method local action. So guys, you need to see here start your crypto journey now. So here is another graph you need to see. Also you can download this exchange like trading platform. You can join it now. You can scan this one QR code to join this and download this one application. This one application will be available on Google Play and App Play Store now. So here is the another social media community, which is the first one of Discords as a Twitter account and Telegram community. You can must be subscribed on YouTube and Facebook, LinkedIn. Also you can join all of social media links. So here in this session we will explore how to create your account. Also guys, you need to check out I have successfully created my account. In this section we will explore how to register your account on Ecobit exchange. So now let's gather for other and the exchange Ecobit exchange. Now you can just follow it, this one exchange. Ecobit, a global crypto exchange of the future of the BTC Ethereum more up 2000x. Here is another exchange you need to see here, guys. Also you can check out this one latest post. Also you need to see here you can check out this trading reward, and here is the claim price pool. Now you can check out. Also when you can check out this campaign center. Also you need to see here this one campaign in progress. Also you need to find out now. Also here is the upcoming campaign. Also you can check out now. Here is the ended campaign. You can check out now. This campaign will be ended. This one campaign will be upcoming now. This one will be available on 7:05 and 30 seconds ago. This one exchange will be available now. And you can check out now this forex futures copy trading, guys. Here is the total few asset. Also you need to check out our campaign. Also copy trading volume detail. You need to check out high yellow detail. Also highlight amount and high follow return. And popular trading king. Also you need to check out, guys. Also in this section we will explore spot detail on Ecobit exchange. Also you can check out, like you can see here this price graph on Ecobit exchange. Now you can buy sell now, do your own research. I am not your financial advisor first, guys. And also guys, you can see here, you can check out now. Here is the order books. You need to see here this one order will be books now. Here is the trade. Also you can check out your trade history, amount, here transaction detail you can see here. Also you can check out market trend. Also you need to see here this one marketing. And in this section we will explore how to create your account. I have successfully logged in my account in Ecobit exchange. Now I will show you how to create your account. Do your own research. I am not your financial advisor first. So it's a guys. Also you need to check out register or login button. You need to see here, guys. Also here you can check out now, guys. You can see here each and everything in this video. Also guys, you need to see here. Also first of all you can put your email and password. Also you can read out terms and condition now, then you can register. You have already logged in. Create your account now. Just going on you are going on a login page. Now you can log in your account. Also guys, here is a more information. It's very important. Here is the referral center. You need to check out referral detail. In this section we will explore referral detail now. So guys, you can check out now each and everything about referral detail. Here you need, first of all you can log in your account. I will log in my account and then I will put my, you can see here all of detail you can check out. Now in this section we will also show you each and here guys, you need to see here you can invite your friend and earn reward together to your own search. Here is the my invitation code. You need to see here also. Here is the my invitation link. Also you need to find out my invites, and here is the invite friend, friend trade and trading debates. Also you can check out your commission. If you have invite your friend, you can check out your commission in record and invitation detail. Also each and everything in this section we will explore. Also you can check out now reward hub and reward center. So in this section we will explore reward center. So guys, you can check out each and everything on reward. You can see here your reward. If you are invite your friend, you can see your rewards, do your own such reward center, easily earn execution reward. Also you can check out this one future trading detail. Also you can check out spot trading detail. Also guys, you can check out this one copy trading detail. Also you can check out each and everything on this exchange. This exchange is very amazing. Also you can check out announcement, listing, affiliate program. Also you can check out affiliate. Also you can join us now guys and do your own research. I am not your financial advisor first. Here is the partner requirement up to 1000 plus financial sports is guys. You need to see here. Also you can join it now. Execution benefit you can check. You can who can join. Also you can how to join this one application. Also you can apply to become a EcoBit partner. Also how to apply you can see here. You can apply now guys. Also you can find out each and everything. So guys, this one exchange is very amazing. Also you can download this one exchange, and here's a QR code. Also you can change your language. Also you can change your language. Also you can change your themes, like you can check out each and everything guys. So here is another detail you need to see here. So I hope all you clear. See you soon next video. Okay, goodbye.